The Daniels Mural Project, Ambe Ma Gada. Artist Q Rock from Nipissing First Nation has created this mural in honor of the 215 children found in May of 2021 by Te Kamloops Tusukwepen First Nation in Kamloops, BC, and to honor the many more graves that continue to be found across Turtle Island.
When I first saw the space and I saw the windows, I looked at that wall for probably 2 weeks. It was a contribution of my daughter's grandmother who shared with me a dream she had. I decided to take the idea of her dream and kind of create it into an Anishinaabe story where two children were being carried on eagles' backs. Eagles represent a very significant sacred animal in our culture because when we pray, when we do ceremony, we believe that the eagle carries our prayers to the Creator. So this was my way of showing our prayers as Anishinaabe people being answered by the eagles carrying our children to the Creator, back into the spirit world, back to join our ancestors. On the left-hand side, you have the grandfather sun with the 7 rings in the center. And on the right-hand side, you have grandmother moon, also representing the medicine wheel teachings. There will be installed in the installation when it's complete, 215 red dots, which will represent the 215 children that were discovered at the BC Kamloops Residential School.
The installation was initiated by Elder Wabagoon, the First Peoples Leadership Advisor to the Dean, along with the Daniels Art Directive, a student-led group that creates exhibitions, workshops, and community projects, and is supported by the Office of External Relations and Outreach. In August of 2021, an open call for proposals was issued for First Nations, Métis, and Inuit artists living in the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area. Q Rock's proposal was selected by the advisory panel of 5 U of T Indigenous community members: James Bird, Melissa Deliri, Jamie Kearns, Robin Rice, and Brenda Wastasikut. The Daniels Mural Project is part of U of T's response to the Truth and Reconciliation Commission's report answering the call, Wichiatoan. Specifically, it responds to call to action number 2, a strategy for the funding and placement of more Indigenous public art across all 3 campuses in close consultation with local Indigenous communities. This mural is proudly part of Design Toronto Festival, and would not have been possible without our supporters: University of Toronto Post-Secondary Fund for Aboriginal Learners and Street Art Toronto.